Greetings to everybody, this is your teacher Jose Manuel, and we are going to start with page 54, case study, a shot in the arm. A shot in the arm. So that's the title of what you have to write on your notebook. Number one, look at the picture and discuss the questions. Very easy. How do you feel when you see the picture? Let's check the picture. This is the picture. How do you feel? Do you like vaccines? Are you afraid of needles? Why and why not? When was the last time you had a vaccination? What was it for? And what was the experience like? Okay, so the answer is very personal. Each one of you, I think they have very different experiences. So I'm going to wait to read your answers. Number two, take the vaccination quiz. Then check your answer at the bottom of page 55. So we are going to make some research, okay? So you can Google it. The number one, for example, who invented the first vaccination? So the only thing that you have to do is, okay, when you are on a Google page, you don't have to. Who invented the first vaccination? We have here. And Edward Jenner is considered the founder of vaccinology in the West 1786 after they inoculated a 13-year-old boy with vaccine virus cowpox and demonstrated immunity to smallpox. So Edward Jenner. So we're going to check in our book. Here we are. So we have Louis Pasteur, Edward Jenner, and Alexander Fleming. And the correct answer for these is Edward Jenner, right? Okay, that's the only thing that you have to do. And the same way, you have to look for what was the first vaccine for smallpox, tuberculosis, rabies. You have to research. Tienen que investigar. When was the first vaccine developed? Which two infectious diseases have no vaccines? And what is the youngest age children can be vaccinated against chickenpox? And that's the only thing that you have to do. Exercise number 2. And the number 3, look at the infographic below and complete the blank using the phrases in the box. For example, can be prevented, puede ser prevenido. Can make your immune system, puede hacer tu sistema inmune. Comes down with the flu, viene con la gripe. Is one of the easiest, es uno de los más fáciles. Protect yourself, protégete a ti mismo. Speed recovery, velocidad de recuperación. Y use soap and water, usa jabón y agua. Entonces lo que tenemos que hacer aquí es completar con estas frases que tenemos aquí los espacios en blanco que tenemos acá. Oh, sorry. Okay, so full prevention tips. Get vaccinated. Influenza is the only respiratory virus that entonces can be prevented by vaccination. Entonces puede ser, pues colocamos en el 2, sería can be prevented by a vaccination. So if you have any doubt, any question, you have to tell me. You can write me, you can text me to WhatsApp, to my email, anything. Case study, a shot in the arm is the title of your work. You have to answer these questions. You have to write on your notebook number 1, look at the picture and discuss the question. If you want, you can draw, you can photocopy, you can print anything that you can as an image, as a picture on your notebook. Answer the questions. Let's go to number 2. And here is optional, the pictures. If you want to put some picture, it's okay. But if you don't, or if you can't, it's okay as well. Okay, but you have to understand that if you have a notebook with some pictures, with some graphics, it's even better because it looks so much better. Okay, so the exercise number 2, you have to write everything, and the questions and the answers would be great. And finally, here it would be good that you do this infographic. It's kind of difficult sometimes, not difficult, a little hard because of the time and the amount of the work, but I think it's better for you. and you have to write this, on the blanks. That's the only thing that you have to do for these weeks. Thank you so much. See you the next